Hello, this is Mangru Lee. This presentation is for the new simpleRead activity. I'm using IntelliJ IDE to fulfill this assignment. Um, I also use the Fire Assignment Starter project. So first of all, let's take a look at my implementation of the getName by patient ID method. So since this is just a get by ID, so I use the read resource by ID approach. So basically, I do the client read and the resource type which whatever ID that is passed in, and then it will return me a single patient, and then I get the name as a string. And then let's take a look at another method called getID by patient name. It's going to return all the IDs of all the patients with the input name string as a part of their names. So I defined a returned variable called IDs, which are going to contain all the IDs. And also I use the fire search method with the resource type patient, and then I search by the patient name, which matches the name, and it's going to return a bundle. Since sometimes the bundle is paginated, so first I'm going to loop through whatever in the first page, and then add all those the first page patient IDs into the return IDs. And then if there's any pages left, I'm going to loop through all the following pages, and then loop through all the patients on each of the following pages. And so there's a while loop for looping through the pages, and also there's a for loop for looping every single patient in each of the page, and then add those patients' IDs into the returned IDs. So let's run some tests. So this is the simpleRead test class. So for test simpleRead, I use this patient ID, and I know that this patient's name is John Smith. And for test simpleRead get ID by name, then I use this James as the name string, and I expected 937 patient IDs will be returned. This is what I get. I use the fire test the fire tester to get the expected number of IDs or number of patients. So if I run all the tests into this file, it's going to tell me that I'm going to pass both of the tests. Here we go. Yeah, all passed. So that's it. Thank you very much.